Today we are opening this box from Vans Shoes. First off, we've got this little card in here. Packed with love, enjoy your new shoes from store number 73. Take this box out of the first box here. It's Simpsons Vans. It's a nice package. Got the house. Got the power plant, Moe's Tavern, Lard Lad Donuts, and the police station. Oh no, that's a police car at the Lard Lads, excuse me. It's the release date. Now, I'm gonna open it up. Here we have them, the Mr. Plow shoes. Mr. Plow, that's my name again. That's Mr. Plow. Check out the bottoms. It says that it's faux fur up here. Yes, it's got the furry lining just like the coat Homer wore in the episode. This is Mr. Plow on the back. Got the Mr. Plow sign with the phone number, and there's Homer. Rubber here. Feels a little warm on the inside. It's nice and padded. It's that thing, whatever that is, the bootstrap you pull up by. So yeah, these are the laces. They're how you tie shoes. Here's the left shoe. It's just like the other one except reversed. All right, there we have them. Your Vans Mr. Plow shoes. There's my cat.